And now that you've seen a little sneak peek, let's get on with day 2 on the Carnival Dream. There's Jen and Steve. Let's go get them for breakfast. Lovely day. Good morning, sunbeams. Here we are having our first breakfast in the main buffet with Jen and Steve. And Steve. He got, what'd you get?
I got some eggs Benedict and biscuits and gravy, or hockey puck and gravy, some sausage, and a little Danish.
And I got ham Benedict, Swiss cheese, which was marked provolone, but it has holes in it, so I got that. Sausage, little gravy, and some scrambies.
And I have some blueberry yogurt, sausage, scrambled eggs, ham, and French toast.
And Steve has hockey puck. How was the hockey puck?
It's better than I thought it would be.
Is it?
When the gravy sits on it, it kind of, softens.
It softens, okay.
But I had to unscrew the
Pepper?
to get pepper out.
Uh-oh. All right. Well, at least it wasn't unscrewed and you didn't dump pepper all over your food. Fill my egg cut. Not bad.
Not terrible.
Not bad.
Let's see what mine looks like. Oh, that's real nice. Maybe a little undercooked.
You want to switch?
No.
Okay. Ear is all cute. Aw, and we got Pikachu. Now I want to throw a Pokeball at him. I like the swans too, and I'm getting you.
You should meet Bo, the whitest white boy on the day. Those are like the whitest white girl dance moves. You guys get along great. Awesome. All right, here we go. We're about to find who is going to be going to the next round.
Wow, it needs a crowbar. Oh, I see. Nope. Thought that was Steve.
These are behind us.
No, Jason.
Jason.
I'm gonna get everybody's name wrong every 5 minutes. Where? I'm looking.
The shade or something.
Let's see. Not over in the corner. Let me see.
We're in the pool. Cheers. We are in the back pool. We never go in the back pool, but I'm kind of excited to try it. It's a cup of human tea.
Salt water.
Salty human tea.
Y'all got some underwater cameras, don't you?
We do.
It says underwater, but it turns off.
But we also have the 360, which goes underwater.
We're in the pool.
Y'all got that one that you can hold on one and it don't show.
Yeah.
'Cause I noticed Jason's been
Yeah, we
using
got that.
Here we are in the back of the ship having some pizza and some drinks, and we have some great views and some shade. Yes, it is needed. It is warm on this ship, and it is crowded today. And this is one of my many brilliant slow motion shots that I took. I did speed it up so they don't look ridiculous, but this fish was absolutely fantastic. I would recommend. Oh, we got a cute little cow animal. It's a rabbit dog, or a dog rabbit, or a dogget, or a rog.
first drinks of the day. I got a pineapple chipotle martini, and Robin has her quick fix. And got a pain relief, and Steve got a cucumber sunrise. Here at the Alchemy Bar with some friends. Got and Robin and Jen and Steve. And Donna and Robin. I know. Yeah, it's good. Real nice, isn't it? Here we're at dinner, and I got a nice salad with some blue cheese and all kinds of veggies and some croutons. I got a steak and cheese sandwich. Robin got a meatball sandwich and salad and some noodles. Linguine. And Jen got some salad and some chicken.
They have spring rolls.
Oh, spring rolls.
Careful of that.
Steve's over in the family flying now.
He's getting me a meatball and he's getting something because he didn't like anything in the